ఎందుకంటే 'తొలి ప్రేమ'
Yeah.
దట్ ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్, ఈ 'వర్షానికి స్పర్శ ఉంటే' అని ఒక పాట ఉంటది. ఐ జస్ట్ లవ్
You
ఇట్
know I
మ్యాన్.
wrote that song, no? You
Sorry.
better not edit that. Keep that. For me, my big advantage is Sidhu's also a writer. Coolest thing was once he connected to the character Varun, my job became that much more easier. He was like, వాడు ఇలా ఉండాలి కొంచెం, వాడికి కొంచెం, let's get the little swag in. Because it suits his personality. By then, Phillu had already come, such a rage everywhere.
Yeah.
The first part. This kind of comment నాకు పెద్ద ఎక్కదు. I never bothered. My son and my husband are full fan. అంటే పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా అసలు ఒక రోజు నడుస్తుంటే ఇద్దరు సిట్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద బెడ్, they're watching TV. So I can't see what's on the TV, but they're sitting and like cracking up. Like ఏం చూస్తున్నారు ఫిల్లు. I'm like, okay, come out thinking everything is nice and a feeling will come for తెలుసు కదా. I think
It will be
all
a
of
blend of
it
everything.
will. I'm very confident about that.
తెలుస్తుంది.